Hey you guys, I'm headed up to my job in Durham. I figured I'd give you an update. It's rained here the past couple of days. We had a bunch of rain day before yesterday. It rained like 5 inches up there in where my job is. So anyhow, going up there to check on things, it flooded out. I've got a picture of an excavator up there that the guy that's grinding for me had mobilized on site, and it wound up flooding it out. We weren't expecting the water to get up that high, so I'll give y'all an update when I get up there. So I'm here, this pipe contractor where I cleared the sewer line right away bought a new 870 Hitachi. Took delivery on it today. They're currently putting it together. So they're setting the boom right now as we speak. Not put the counterweight on it yet or anything, so trying to get the main pin through the boom. They're shimming it up right now before they slide the pin in. So I'll give y'all a different angle here in a minute. Yeah, this is the brand new one. I think I got like the hero section, the smaller one. But that might be nice. Yeah.
Put it on the YouTube channel?
Yeah.
You do that one?
Yeah.
Really? What is it?
Cat scanner. Just search cat scanner. Yeah, that's me. Behind the counterweight, looking back towards them, you see they got the boom rigged up, and currently still trying to get the main pin in. Anyhow, it is definitely something to watch. There's the stick right there, so it came in several different pieces. They said it was shipped directly from Japan, and it came through the Pacific Ocean, through the Panama Canal to Savannah, Georgia on the East Coast, and then from Savannah, Georgia by truck. About 1 day, took them 1 day to get it to North Carolina. So they made it about midway of North Carolina, and then stopped at a truck stop, waited overnight, got back on the road about 9 the next morning, and came into Raleigh with it. So it is pretty unique to watch this. You don't get to see this every day. So